365 days a year, 24 hours a day, 60 minutes per hour. There is not 1 minute to lose. Time is precious as gold. The days follow each other and the years, they just pass by. At the end of your life, you count your wasted time, from one regret to another. And you think, if I had known that the time doesn't matter when you experience the magic moments.
Wish that I could stay, wish for this moment to never go away.
You wish you would have known that the time stands still when you feel love. And you wish you had known that the hours don't count when you enjoy your daily work. Time isn't rushing, maybe it's you. Let's look at time a little bit more positive. Choose carefully for what you will take your time and for whom you will take your time. Take the courage to make the decisions for you. Dare to be yourself and create moments for you and others every day. Fill your time with moments, because that is what it is worth living for. Time is nothing else than life. Let's say, yes, I have time. From now on, it's going to be great.